What's up, party rental people? Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to use Canva to make awesome graphics like this that look legit, that don't look like you made them on MS Paint. If you're old enough to remember that, let me know in the comments if you're old enough to remember that. My biggest tip with Canva, and if you've never used Canva, it's just canva.com. Totally worth the $10 a month, but they do have a free edition. My biggest tip is to go ahead and start with a template. So when you go create design, I like to do the Instagram square, which is square one. It's good for Instagram, Facebook, wherever you're going to do it. And you start out with this white thing, and you're going to be tempted to start adding stuff in. And if you're like me, I'm just not talented with this kind of stuff. I'm not creative. I wouldn't recommend that. I would start with templates. And if you go to design here, you can go ahead and just type in fun, and it'll come up with these templates that you can start out with. So you'll see there are some good ones, there are some lame ones. I like to use the one that's like promo or sale. Those tend to be like vibrant colors. You'll see like this is pretty cool. You don't even have to be running a sale. I just like this background, right? Like that's pretty cool. Looks legit. Oh, look at this. Boom. That's really awesome. That's kind of what I love about these templates. I notice whenever I type in sale or promo, some really cool ones. Wow, I'm really wanting to make some graphics. Yeah. I mean, it's pretty cool. Like this is all free. You can use this. You can throw a bounce house in there, but you're gonna find that even this is, it's kind of salesy and looks a little too. I don't know what to call it. What's going on here? A marker. What we did at Event Hawk, because we love you guys and we're awesome, is we made some templates for you, and you can get them in the Party Rental Bounce House Bosses library. So you'll see, like for example, for National Bounce House Day, here are some templates, and we basically give you a template where all you got to do is add in your logo, one of your graphics, one of your inflatables, and your city. And these are designed to convert. This is really important for you to know. We've done tons of data and research on how you should structure these graphics. So let me go ahead and show you guys how to do that. Let's say we're going to go ahead and use this purple one here. I'm going to go ahead and download it. I'm going to go to Canva. I'm going to delete this. Just completely trash the whole thing. And then you're going to go to upload files, and we're going to upload this purple one here. And voila, boom, perfect. Now you have a template that is specifically made for bounce house businesses. Now you just have to make it yours. So I have all of my graphics in Canva already. Boom. All right, so first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my logo. There we go. And I'm going to put it right here. Canva is super easy to use, even if you're not tech savvy. But now I put it here. So now it's mine. Boom. Now it looks like super legit. Look at that. And then now I just got to put an inflatable there. Oh, this one's perfect. This one matches. Look at that. Match made in heaven. Now, if you have inflatables where the background is not removed, like, add a page here. I did another video on this. If you want to learn how to remove backgrounds like this, then there's a couple different ways to do that. You will need the pro version, but you click edit photo, and then you click BG remover, and poof, it just removes the background. Again, if you guys want that video, go ahead and click above to watch that. I'll show you guys a couple different ways how to do that. But with this one here, the last thing we want to do, very important for conversion. Now, you got to really differentiate. If you watch my videos, a lot of times I talk about what you like versus what your customer likes, what you want versus what's going to actually make you money. And as a business owner, as a savvy business owner, you don't want to necessarily design everything for you. You want to design it for your customer. So you want this to be conversion friendly. And we know that what's going to convert is when this sounds like home. So right here, you want to put something that sounds familiar to your clients, and what better than your local city, right? So I'll add a header. So where I'm at, Orland Park is a city that a lot of people know. It's where I'm based out of, and even if you're not in Orland Park, you've heard of Orland Park. It's nearby, and when people see that, they say, "Oh, this guy's local to me," right? The hardest part for me is really picking a font. So I'm gonna go with type in bubble or something like that. No. So you have like a thicker extra bowl. Okay, there we go. So there you go. And then what you can do is you can use this to make the spacing a little bit less. There you go. And then we want to kind of have it match this here. And I love the Canva effects. If you go to effects, you can say outline, and then you can say, okay, I want the outline to be black, and then the text to be white. Boom, look at that. Looks almost the same. Or if you want to go ahead and pick a color, you go to colors. If you click on this and you go to colors, it'll automatically pick up some colors from your graphic. So like this, if you really want it to pop, boom, look at that. Now it pops a lot more. And yeah, I'm bad at matching colors, but I feel like this will match more, or this will pop more than like white. Oh, there you go. I think that's good. I like that. And here's my graphic. Now you just go ahead and download it and you post it on your socials. And yeah, it's yours, free. If you want more of those graphics, let me know in the comments if you want access to our Bounce House Bosses library, where you can get a ton of graphics like this, templates, all kinds of free stuff. But if you'd rather learn more about how to market your Bounce House business, then go ahead and click that video so you can go ahead and watch it. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks, guys. Oh, and do not forget to subscribe, comment, like, do what you got to do. 70% of you guys who watch these videos are not subscribed. Help me out, guys, so we can make more videos like this. I always forget to say that in the middle. But please go ahead and do that, and I would appreciate it. See you guys on the next one.